Hello, we're in Brasov, but this isn't a vlog about Brasov. This will be like a winter makeup look. So yeah, this is what we're doing. This is my winter makeup routine. So this is the toner that I love to use. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. I just pour it in my hand, just like tap. On another notice, we just arrived here, so what I noticed, like, the scenery is so cool. Like, wait, let me show you my view. Look, so cool. So yeah, that's my view. I love it so much. I'm starting to use this moisturizer. It's the blemish control from Bioma. So far, I don't feel like it gives so much hydration, and so far, honestly, because it's a blemish control moisturizer, so far I feel like, I don't know, it helped a lot with my blemishes. It is supposed to hydrate and control, so I am expecting some kind of hydration, but for me it's not the best moisturizer. For my last thing, I like to use this eye cream. It's from Sephora, the Lift and Firm eye cream. For the lips, I love using this Laneige lip serum. This is all the makeup I've got with me. Like, this is my favorite makeup products, and this is like my holy grail. Okay, so this is what I traveled with. I like to start with my concealer. This is my ultimate favorite concealer. So what I love about this is, like, it gives like so much coverage. Like, it's like full coverage concealer, which I really love, even for an everyday look. And it doesn't get cakey. Like, I wear it the whole day sometimes, and it never gets cakey. Like, never. Sometimes I do it with a brush, sometimes I do it with my hands, sometimes, like, it depends. But today we'll blend it with this blush. It's like so full coverage. When I use a beauty blender, it tends to be less coverage, but it's still like my favorite kind of coverage. Now I like to curl my lashes. This is my current favorite mascara. It's so cool. I won't say it's natural, but it gives out this amazing looking lashes. I love the shape it gives. Like, it gives out this fuller, lengthy lashes. Anyways, I'll only be brushing my eyebrows. I don't like to do anything with them. I love this bronzer from Givenchy. I don't use a cream bronzer, so I love my powders to be silky. I like to use some on my eyelids like this. Now for the last thing, the blush. I'm currently using this one from Kosas. It has 3 blushes. Today I'll be using Euphoria. It's like a cool pinky mauve moment. Now this is my look for today. I hope you liked it. It's like a very small mini vlog tutorial, but this is like my everyday winter look. And this is what I go for every day. See you next week for the brush off vlog, and I hope you enjoy your vacation. Happy holidays, and see you next week. Bye bye.